Today, we tell the story of a brilliant poet and artist whose voice they tried to silence. These words are from a poem that became a beloved song, sung for decades across Central Asia. Her music resonated so deeply, it became an anthem for those who felt lost or displaced. But the tragic story of the woman who wrote these words was almost completely erased from history. So who exactly was she? Well, her story begins with just a flash of pure genius. Get this, at just 8 years old, Malike was already a published poet. She wrote a riddle so clever, it actually stumped adults for 2 whole years. Then, at age 10, she took a tough entrance exam with adults, scoring an incredible 98. Her talent was just undeniable. As a young teen, she captivated audiences with her presence. But, beneath that graceful artist was a fiery spirit from a famous warrior ancestor. I mean, this says it all. She wasn't just an artist, she was completely fearless. And then in 1966, the Cultural Revolution swept through. Malike was one of the first targets. Suddenly, these baseless accusations appeared on posters. Her art was declared a crime. She was then subjected to this brutal public shaming, all designed to just break her spirit. Let's look at this timeline, which shows the systematic destruction of her life over 4 years. During interrogations, she bravely defended her grandfather, a famous Uyghur leader. She would not betray her heritage. Her death was violent. She was just buried in a dirty bag, no investigation at all. So the regime tried to completely erase her. But the question is, did they succeed? Absolutely not. Her voice lived on right here, in her art, a powerful, unsilenced echo. And here's the thing, the very art they tried to destroy became a symbol of resilience. Her story echoes a tragedy her people have known for centuries, captured in ancient inscriptions. Malike's legacy reminds us that art can survive the most brutal oppression. A story is never truly over.